In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam can't add or find friends. If you're trying to add someone on Steam and nothing works, there are a few common settings and account limits that can get in the way. Follow along and we'll walk through them in a clear, simple order so you can get back to gaming together. First, check whether your account is limited. New Steam accounts have restrictions and cannot send friend requests until there's been at least a $5 spent in the Steam store. Log in, go to your profile, and look for a limited status notice. If you see it, the fix is to purchase a game or an item from the store to upgrade your account. After you make a purchase, give it a moment, then restart Steam and try sending the friend request again. Next, verify privacy settings, because Steam needs mutual visibility to connect you. Open your profile by clicking your name, choose View My Profile, then click Edit Profile. Go to the Privacy Settings tab. Set your profile to public so others can find you, and make sure the sections that matter for discovery like your profile and friends list aren't hidden. The person you're trying to add should do the same on their end. Even if only one of you is private, it can block searches and invitations. Once that's updated, close and relaunch Steam to refresh the changes. Now, manage blocked users. Open Friends chat from the bottom right of the client, or from the top menu. Look for your block list. If the person you're trying to add appears there, right-click their name, choose Manage, and select Unblock All Communication. This is important, because someone on your block list won't receive invites and you won't see them in search. After unblocking, restart Steam to clear any cached status. Finally, clear pending requests. Open your friends list and review any incoming or outgoing invites. Steam can limit how many friend requests you have pending at once, so if the list is full, new invitations might fail silently. Accept the ones you want and deny the rest to free up slots. When you're done, restart Steam one more time. I hope this helped you fix Steam can't add or find friends. Thanks for watching.